At Heritage Steel, we want you to feel confident in every building we put up. Let's explore your comprehensive warranty. Your 14-gauge tubing is covered by a lifetime rust-through warranty. That's peace of mind for decades to come. Roof panels are covered 20 to 30 years, depending on the style. And premium vertical metal? Also lifetime coverage. For workmanship, you're covered for 3 years from your installation date. Our commitment to quality is built into every detail. If your building is 26 feet wide or greater, fully enclosed, and on a level concrete pad that extends to 7 years, garage doors are covered for 180 days, as long as the foundation is level. We ensure every component meets our standards. Keep in mind, the warranty doesn't cover issues from unlevel foundations, water under the base rail, storm damage, or chemical exposure. Also, structural modifications or add-ons like spray foam or drywall after the build aren't covered under our warranty. To keep everything valid, just give the painted surfaces a gentle wash once a year. Mild soap and water does the trick. If you ever need to file a claim, just reach out to us for a warranty claim form. We're here to help. We'll walk you through the rest, and we ask for up to 60 days to get everything inspected and resolved. Heritage Steel, where you're covered by quality and backed by our heritage.